Hello everybody, this is Milt Washington Tech 1999 here, and I'm going to be unboxing quite a unique item today. I got this humongous box fan from my work today, should I say from my job, at the Milton Safeway. I decided to spend 25 bucks to get a really good fan, not only that but a box fan, because my other 4 fans that I had last year, they all broke. The swamp cooler and the big tall black fan, those did not belong to me, so I lost those during the move. Yep, there's clothes up there, so ignore that, please, and thank you. I'm getting to that momentarily. But anyways, let's go ahead and unbox this fan and see how the heck it really works. Because it says it works good, so let's go. Now I'm gonna get this thing out of the plastic packaging. I see it has quite a unique design compared to what I'm used to. It's much smoother than I thought it would be. And this configuration up here looks rather simple. Let me adjust the focus real quickly. Yep, I like the way the switch feels. I like the plastic feeling, which is non-corrosive as well. Alright, it says, to reduce the risk of electric shock and injury, do not use it in a window. Well, too bad I'm using it in a window. That's the reason I got it, because we can't have air conditioners in here and it gets way too hot. So, don't yell at me for this. I know it would not be a great idea, but I'm still gonna do it anyways. So let's plug it in and try it out. By the way, here's the instruction manual and the feet. So see you guys there. Alright guys, I just finished putting the feet on, and as you might see, the screws are in a little bit crooked. That would be because the configuration of the feet that they gave me looks to be a little bit off. The screw holes are down here, and the hole for the feet. The holes for both of the feet are up here, resulting in crooked nails. It says that the feet need to be on before using the fan, which I wouldn't believe, but it's always good to play it safe. So now I'm finally gonna run it up after reading the instructions, putting on the feet, and doing all that's necessary to get it up and running. So, in 3, 2, poof! There we are. It's all plugged in and ready. Excuse the trash. So we're gonna start on low mode. And low mode alone puts out quite a bit of air. Now medium. Now high. That is really loud. And that really puts out a lot of air too, so wow, that'll be useful during the summer. So here's some of the specs on the side for it. It says it blows out 2,279 cubic feet per minute. and exhaust the air in 2,000 square foot home, 7 minutes, so that's about 17,000, approximately 16,500 square feet every hour, approximately. Here's the power, rotations, and yeah, cubic feet per minute, so the air, what I'm trying to say, yeah, air diffusion, I guess. So low speed, about 65 watts, and 40 revolutions per minute, and blows out about 620 cubic feet of air per minute, and the rest you can likely see. So yeah, this is an unboxing of a unique product for a tech channel. You know, you wouldn't necessarily see anyone unboxing a fan unless it's a fan review channel or a channel full of fandom. Yeah, okay. That was a corny joke. But anyways, see you guys for the next episode, whenever that will be. And yeah, this is Milt Washington Tech 1999, signing out.